Wow, Ella, look at the roses. Very good. Run. Run with Noah. Run with Noah. Noah, run with Ella. Run with Ella. Follow mommy. Follow mommy. There, mommy. There is mommy is right there.
Mommy, where are you?
Noah, I'm showing to you. Noah,
Where is mommy?
I'm showing. Follow Ella. Follow Ella. All right.
Okay.
So follow you today. Where are you guys? Where are you? I can hear there. Oh, there, Noah. Oh, look at these beauties. Oh my God. So beautiful. Look at these leaves.
Yeah.
Are they flowers or they're just leaves? This beautiful. It looks like a flower.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy!
What?
Wow, you guys. Plants and trees. I mean, the pictures. Like, I try to take a picture and I can't. But you see?
You know, 0.3 of a cent. So, right? So here this guy buys it and it goes all the way up dollars into 20,000. Something like that. Actually, now he has 20,000.
But I mean, is there like...
I understand, but not. I didn't go. Go, guys.
So I'm up to 246%. Right?
Wow, nice. Cheese. Cheese?
When I sent in, I was only up 200%.
Okay, you can't look at me. So,
40%.
such
So if I had
beauty.
50 grand in there, what's
Beauty.
40% of 50 grand?
I want water.
Elochka, are those real turtles or? Oh, they're statues. Okay, got you.
I hear you. I want to go to the bathroom and get water.
That's why you have a nice spread. The thing is
Guys, look at those turtles.
Those are statues. There are lots of real turtle and fish.
don't you know?
Cutie.
What is
Oh,
Why are you waiting? It's gonna be $300,000
so how much?
by the middle of next year.
wow, look at that.
Go ahead.
Ella,
Here's an app. Go
look.
click buy.
Ella, be careful. Don't come out from the bush.
I'll send you a link. I'll make some money actually when you buy. Not a send where your
I will go to the beauty mall. Colors will not come out.
Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Look at me, guys. Okay, look, Ella. Look. So pretty. What kind of tree is that? So beautiful.
Let's go further.
Nora, I need the bath.
I'm gonna send you a link.
Okay.
That's to Coinbase.
That was right.
Coinbase.
This is
There we go.
so fun.
So that company is headquartered in San Francisco. You download their app
Oh wow.
right away. They have
Oh
limits.
my
So
goodness.
you put your ID in there. You can't buy more than 25,000 or something. So but you pump it around like 50K, you crypto like nothing. Like I'll swap one from one coin to another.
Ella, be careful there. Be careful there.
If you listen to society, you'll never have any money.
Oh, be careful. Nine. Noah, look at me or yeah. Pasi. Smile. Smile, good smile. Come. No, Tumanaila. Uh-huh. Wow. Oh, look, there is a little waterfall here. The big waterfall and a little waterfall. Okay, wait there. Ella. Oh my God, these kids are wild. Cute smile. Jump. Okay. Careful, Ella. Don't kill the plants. Come on, you're doing dangerous games.
I want to come too.
No, I'll come this way.
I want to come with Ella.
We are all going together. Ow!
Bruises too.
I like the forest.
I was sure we were going the right.
They put a stone.
You guys have been to Yosemite or you haven't?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, those.
We drove through.
Oh, I remember these plants. Okay, we're gonna see the peacock. I was. Look, the birds went this way.
Look at the. Oh my God! Look at your clothes. Did we come here like that, Ella? Huh?
Yeah.
Did I dress you those dirty clothes or what happened?
I'm in the forest.
Don't get lost.
I won't. I'm catching up.
Again, she's trying to be in danger. This girl loves danger.
Oh, that's okay. New clothes.
It.
This kind of looks familiar.
Yeah,
The garbage can.
yeah, I'm going there.
Oh, isn't that the entrance?
No.
That's not the entrance?
We did that. I'm gonna want this.
Run.
The greenhouse, the flowers.
Smile. They run everywhere. Go to there.
Oh, wow! Look!
Go.
Wow!
All right, look guys.
Let's go.
Ariel está rít. Ela chkari. Ari կանգնի այստեղ։ Կանգնի շշուտ։ Smile արա։ Smile at me.
He's gotta use the bathroom, remember?
Smile. No, Kangni. Do you want a picture with Ella?
No, I want
No, you're okay.
He wants his mom and stuff.
You're it's like, no, I'm okay. Don't go too close. You know you have to have a distance. Oh. Oh, it's like looking at your food. Looking. So pretty. You like what? It's beautiful. Like a crown. Ինձ նայի էլ մի հատ նկարեմ։ Այդ տենց։ Ախ, smile արարևս։
I know.
Fine, bless you. Նա ինձ։ Որտե jump հարա լավ smile արա։
go.
When I see your smile, իրանք չեն սիրի։ Hey, open your tail. Can you open your tail and show us?
I don't know. I'm gonna put.
Ella, look at this huge tree. Mr. Monkey. Be careful. Մի քիչ հեռու մնա ուրիշ երեխեքից, Ella. Արի էստեղ, արի իրանք իջնեն, հետո դուք բարձրանաս։ Nines, look. What a beautiful tree. Nines? Oh, the peacock beat him. Oh, the peacock beat him. Come. Wow.
Gotta be gentle with the peacock. It doesn't get scared of humans.
They see humans all day long. Go, go, go. Be careful though, they might, you know. You can follow the peacock. Yeah. We just wish they will open their tail. Hey, peacock. Where are you going? Oh.